So I'm recording from the Ipisuit Hotel. So I'm here again. So I just got back. So I'm making my tent again. So I booked here for a few days. Um, because it's late. It's too much late for me to find a room. So this is the only place because I have things on me. And my husband is not yet here. So he will be here very soon. So I'll be staying here for in VIP suites because this is the crime scene, which is the address of the hotel, which is this is just a bed space. I don't understand these people. This is just a bed space. This is not a room at all. So we're sharing rent inside a room. So and as of moment, it's like around 3,000 to 5,000 peso a day room that we're sharing each other. So this is the bed space.